Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make jalapeno cream cheese. First, ensure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature for easy mixing. You will need 8 ounces of full-fat cream cheese. Next, finely dice 2 fresh jalapenos, removing seeds for less heat or leaving some for more spice. Chop 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro and have a pinch of salt and a dash of garlic powder ready. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a delicious spread. Now, let's get mixing. Place your softened 8 ounces of cream cheese into a medium-sized bowl. Add the finely diced jalapenos and the 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Sprinkle in your pinch of salt and dash of garlic powder. Using a spatula or spoon, gently fold all the ingredients together until they are well combined. Make sure the jalapenos and cilantro are evenly distributed throughout the cream cheese for consistent flavor in every bite. Once mixed, transfer your jalapeno cream cheese into an airtight container. This step is crucial for both setting the flavors and maintaining freshness. Place the container in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully and helps the cream cheese firm up to a perfect spreading consistency. Serve this delightful spread with your favorite crackers, toasted bagels, or fresh vegetable sticks. Enjoy! You can easily customize this recipe. For more heat, add an extra jalapeno or leave some seeds in. For a brighter flavor, try adding a small squeeze of fresh lime juice. Remember to store any leftover jalapeno cream cheese in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days to maintain its freshness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.